Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Vrbo. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in vrbo.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Vrbo website where you can log into your account if you haven't already by clicking on the sign in button and using your login credentials. Now, once you are logged into your account, in order to change your password, just click on your username at the top right corner and then click on My Profile. This will then take you into your profile settings page. Now, from your profile page, simply click on the settings option at the left side and then you will find an option to change your password. Simply click on it and now you will be asked to confirm your identity by entering a 6-digit code. To find this code, just check your inbox and you will find an email from Vrbo, which contains your login code. Simply paste this code in the confirmation box and click on the continue button. And now you will be allowed to change your password. Simply type in your desired password and click on the update password button. And now your password will successfully be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Vrbo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.